Hello friends, I am Jainji. This is our channel Jain Social. Few years back, during the time of election, we might have noted that there used to be many wall paintings, posters, cutouts which used to depict the political party's name, candidates' name, political party symbols, then candidates' picture, political party's propaganda, and also louder announcements, late political meetings. These all the things are regulated to the great extent in recent times. These are greatly done by the Election Commission of India through the way of enforcing model code of conduct. Even then, the political parties' advertisements, propagandas are shifted to social medias. For instance, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to influence voters and conduct pre-poll surveys and also influence the opinion of people to which party they must vote. These all the things are restricted through the way of actively enforcing model code of conduct. What is model code of conduct? When the model code of conduct used as a weapon by the Election Commission of India to control the political parties and their candidates during the time of election and ensure free and fair election and also depart away from the muscle and money power in the election. Before we go into the topic, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, it will reach you immediately. The model code of conduct issued prior to election by the Election Commission of India against political parties and their candidates. The model code of conduct will be in operation from the date of election announcement and till the date of election result declaration. Under Article 324, Indian constitutions ensure and authorize the Election Commission of India to conduct free and fair election to Parliament and state legislature. It is really quite interesting to know the origin of model code of conduct. In 1960, during the Kerala state legislative election, the state administration decided to form a code of conduct against political parties and political actors. Followed by in 1962 Lok Sabha election, the Election Commission of India circulated the code to all recognized political parties and state governments, and it also wholeheartedly followed. It was in 1991, after the fallout of electoral norms followed by the corruption issues, the Election Commission of India started to severely enforcing the Model Code of Conduct. Model Code of Conduct contains 8 provisions. The first one is general conduct. The criticism of political parties allowed only based on parties, policies, programs and their past work. There not be any criticism on the line of caste or intimidation of voters or bribing. These are the things strictly prohibited. Then while conducting meeting, the political parties must pre-inform to the local police about the place of meeting and the time. Then the record safeguard measures will be arranged by the police. Then the processions. If 2 or more political parties plan to conduct any processions on the same route, then the organizers of the processions must come to common rule and ensure that processions conducted without any clashes. Carrying and burning of effigies which represent other political party members is not allowed. Then on the day of polling, the political party's workers must wear identity badge or identity card, and also when they give identity slip to the voters, the identity slip must be plain. It should not represent any political party symbol or candidates. Then the polling booth. The voters and the persons authorized by the Election Commission of India only allowed. Then the observers who are all appointed by the Election Commission of India. Those candidates who have any electoral concerns, they can inform to the observers. Then the ruling party. Some restrictions were added in 1979 Electoral Manifesto to restrict the ruling party authority. The minister should not combine with the official work and supervising electoral work. The ruling party should not misuse the government media, taxpayers' money and government vehicle for influencing voters to get more vote and get elected in the election. The government also should not announce any new schemes or development programs during the time of election. Then Electoral Manifesto, which was added in 2013, the election manifesto should not influence voters wrongly, and the means to achieve the promises proposed in the election manifesto must be explained clearly. The model code of conduct do not have any constitutional backing. but the sincere and severe enforcement of Model Code of Conduct by the Election Commission of India make it more useful. The Model Code of Conduct can be made into constitutional status by invoking respective changes in the Indian Penal Code 1860, the Code of Criminal Procedure Act 1973 or Representation of People Act 1951. In 2013, the Standing Committee on Personal Grievances, Law and Justice recommended the Model Code of Conduct to give constitutional status by making it a part of Representation of People Act 1951. But the Election Commission of India argue against this recommendation because the election need to be completed very soon or less than 45 days. But judicial proceeding will take more time. So it is not possible to make the Model Code of Conduct by enforceable by law. But Election Commission of India will take severe action against political parties and candidates who are acting against Model Code of Conduct. In the 21st century, due to the penetration of internet and the influence of social media, it is really very hard for the Election Commission of India to monitor fake news during the time of election and control the political parties which are spreading influencing advertisement to the voters. Okay friends, give your opinion regarding how we can ensure free and fair election and control the money and muscle power during the election and give equal chances to everyone to win the election in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and share to your friends and family members. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, it will reach you immediately. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.